mastermind of this season?
Oh, we all know who is. I don't really need to take the name. I think when we all got to know Harsh is there, we all knew
Oh my god.
he will be the
I think
pretentious.
everybody took his name only.
Yeah, he is that pretentious thing. I think she just want to pretend, and some way somehow we all agreed because he was saying it
Yeah.
so much, and he talks like he's generally. I think a lot of people, nobody have ever said this thing, but if you literally talk to Harsh now, he is the most well-spoken guy. You know,
Yeah.
specifically in this season, which I've seen, and in general also, he
Yeah.
is very polite and is generally a gentleman when he speaks. I don't know whether it's a good trick or how he does it, because I was like, dude, he literally knows how to talk. He literally knows how to get an information, and he's so good with his words. And the game obviously gets the worst out of you, and I think he already
Yeah.
has a thing. And I don't know. I think you will know that I should have the biggest reasons to hate him, but for some reason I don't, because it's a part of the game, and I am not someone who really likes to take grudges. But I think he's actually good at it. Like we can,
Yeah.
no matter how much people complain about it, being
Yeah.
as average as he is in most things, can't complain about
Oh
others,
my god.
but he is still pretty good at keeping that, that identity of his intact. So that's
Yeah.
literally commendable.
Did you watch Splitsvilla, and did you
Oh,
watch him
actually, I
in?
did not. I think that was the biggest mistake. That was the biggest mistake. If I knew that he's coming, I should have watched Pitbulla. And people were like, dude, you're fucked. You just don't know what kind of a guy he is. But generally, I don't like to judge someone on the basis of something which
Yeah.
he did in the past. So I was like,
Yeah.
it's actually good because as much as we spoke, no matter what I had, the kind of feelings I had in my head for him, that I have to be, you know, इससे बच के रहना है. ये वो
Yeah.
इंसान है जिसपे तुम्हें ट्रस्ट है. ये सांप है जो डसेगा ही डसेगा. So, but I always had a very good and fun conversation with him. If you're gonna talk to Harsh ever, he will say the same thing. I am someone who is complaining about the bizarrest stuff, and he will always catch me when I'm throwing tantrums and being a bimbo. So if you
Oh
ever talk
god.
to him, he will always say Anushka was such a bimbo. She was always having the most bizarrest stuff to say. Well, that's what I was. I knew that I cannot give him serious stuff.
Yeah.
I have to keep this. I am very much okay if he thinks that I'm a bimbo. Because
Yeah.
if I give him information and he uses it against me, my gang will eat me, which is
Right.
again another story. But
Agreed.
yeah.